Northrop Grumman's cutting-edge Integrated Battle Command System, IBCS, is poised to become the core of a revolutionary ground-based air defense, GBAD, solution tailored for the British Army. As announced on June 10, 2025, Northrop Grumman has teamed up with British defence specialist Marshall to offer the UK Ministry of Defence a next-gen, fully unified air defence platform under the Land GBAD programme. The joint offering blends sophisticated command and control capabilities with domestic manufacturing to ensure both performance and sovereignty. Unlike traditional standalone defense systems, this proposed network operates on a fully interoperable system of systems model. IBCS functions as an advanced digital brain that synthesizes inputs from a wide array of radar and sensor systems, regardless of make or origin, to produce a single, integrated airspace overview. This enables coordinated, cross-unit engagement decisions and extends the operational reach and survivability of defensive formations. To bolster near-range threat interception, the system includes Northrop's Forward Area Air Defense, FAAD, technology, which relies on real-time AI assessments to tackle fast-emerging dangers such as drones, mortars, and short-range rockets. IBCS's architecture can concurrently link up to 20 varied sensor and weapon platforms, managing data from both modern active electronically scanned array, AESA, radars and older legacy units. The U.S. Army has already validated its full-circle coverage, showing it can neutralize both cruise and ballistic missiles at distances exceeding 160 kilometers. FAAD complements this with its rapid targeting abilities, tracking more than 500 aerial threats at once and coordinating swift kinetic countermeasures via systems like the Stinger missile and Coyote interceptor. The AI component rapidly evaluates incoming threat trajectories and dynamically updates engagement tactics in real time. Marshall's involvement brings a crucial support layer with its robust containerized command shelters. These 20-foot mobile units feature electromagnetic pulse, EMP, shielding, climate control systems, and complete chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear, CBRN, protection. Designed for rapid deployment, these facilities can be set up within 6 hours, ensuring command continuity in volatile environments. Poland's earlier deployment of IBCS as part of its Wisla program marked a significant success within NATO's air defense evolution. The British iteration builds on that model but goes further, integrating artificial intelligence at its operational core, ensuring broader interconnectivity, and utilizing local manufacturing to maintain sovereign capability. With threats like hypersonic missiles and drone swarms becoming increasingly common, this initiative aims to vault the UK into a leadership role in multi-domain, AI-enhanced air and missile defense strategy.